Transform your home with breezy French coastal decor. Full house tour. Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt the calm of a seaside morning? That's the magic of French coastal design, a style that borrows from weathered Normandy cottages and sun-bleached Provence hideaways. Picture walls washed in pale blue, the exact hue of a morning sky just after dawn. We're talking about a look that feels collected, not decorated, like you've gathered treasures from every shoreline stroll. This isn't the loud nautical theme with anchor motifs screaming at you from every corner. Instead, it whispers of salt air and linen sheets dried in the breeze. The wood underfoot or under your coffee cup is aged pine with a driftwood finish, worn smooth by imaginary tides. A sofa draped in ivory cotton calico invites you to sink in with a book. Curtains layered in pale blue and white stripes filter sunlight into a gentle glow. Imagine pillows arranged just so. 2 white, 1 deep navy, and 1 printed with a delicate starfish. You'll find a bed with a driftwood pine frame and an ivory tufted headboard that doesn't demand attention but earns it softly. A thin merino wool blanket in that same pale blue rests at the foot, light as a sea mist. Pearl white sheets promise the kind of sleep you only get after a long swim. Extras like a light blue wave pattern rug or a seashell table lamp complete the story without going overboard. Every room in this French coastal home invites you to exhale and stay a while. Let's walk through each space, from the entryway to the garden, and see how to bring this breezy elegance home. Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is the soft hush. The pale blue walls seem to cool the air by a few degrees. A slim driftwood pine bench sits against one wall, its surface bleached like a piece of timber washed ashore. Above it, a round rattan mirror reflects light and gives the space a breezy, organic texture. Toss a couple of ivory cushions on the bench, nothing too precious, just simple cotton covers you can throw in the wash. A jute runner lays the foundation. It's nubby weave catching sand if you're lucky enough to bring some home. Hang a single seashell-shaped hook for your keys, and suddenly even the daily clutter feels intentional. After a long day, collapse onto that ivory calico sofa and feel the fabric's gentle give. It's like a hug without the commitment. Layer the pale blue and white striped curtains behind sheer inner panels. When the breeze lifts them, the whole room dances. Mix in your pillows with intention. 2 pristine white, 1 dark blue for depth, and that starfish patterned one to wink at the coast. A light blue wave pattern rug anchors the seating area, its curves echoing the tide just outside your imagination. Switch on the seashell table lamp at dusk, and watch the ribbed texture cast a warm, watery glow across the pale walls. Finally, hang a round rattan mirror opposite the window to double the daylight, and bring a bit of nature's geometry indoors. Your bed, that driftwood pine frame with the ivory tufted headboard, should feel like the calmest spot in the house. Dress it in pearl white sheets that feel cool against your skin, even on sticky summer nights. Fold the pale blue merino blanket at the foot. It's just enough weight for when the temperature dips before dawn. That same light blue wave rug from the living room? Use a smaller version here to tie the spaces together. A seashell lamp on the nightstand offers a soft glow for late-night reading, its pearlescent surface catching the morning light later. Above the bed, a round rattan mirror reflects the room's serenity, completing the sleepy, salt-kissed vibe. Gather everyone around a driftwood pine table that's as sturdy as it is casually elegant. Pull up ivory white chairs with woven backs. They invite lingering conversations long after dessert. Drape a pale blue tablecloth striped with white over the tabletop. It's like setting the table with a piece of the sky. Above it, suspend a seashell pendant light that scatters delicate shadows across the plates. At the center, place a simple vase filled with dried starfish, their brittle arms frozen in a permanent stretch. Every meal here feels like a vacation, even if you're just serving Tuesday night pasta. Imagine opening pale blue cabinets with driftwood handles each morning. The color says "Good day" before you even grab your coffee. A white tile backsplash printed with tiny starfish adds a playful wink without overwhelming the space. Warm everything up with a driftwood pine countertop. Spills just add to its story. Underfoot, continue that same driftwood flooring to create a seamless, barefoot-friendly flow from the living area. Mount a small anchor-shaped hook by the sink for your dish towel, a functional detail that makes you smile. Cooking becomes less about chores and more about crafting a moment, surrounded by textures that feel like the shore. Pale blue walls in a bathroom instantly transform your morning routine into a seaside ritual. Step onto a white tile floor dotted with blue starfish. It's like wading in a shallow cove. A driftwood pine vanity holds a white ceramic bowl sink, its organic roughness contrasting beautifully with the smooth basin. Fluffy ivory white towels hang within reach, begging you to wrap yourself in their softness. Frame the mirror with seashells, each one a tiny sculpture that catches light differently. Even the quickest hand wash becomes a sensory mini break. From the street, a French coastal facade should look like it's been sun-bleached for decades, with pale limestone or soft white stucco. Paint the shutters a muted blue-gray, the color of sea mist hanging low. A solid wood front door in a weathered oak finish greets guests with humble warmth. Climbing jasmine or ivy clings to one side, adding a layer of green that softens every edge. Skip the high-gloss finishes. Let the exterior feel a little worn, like a cherished beachcomber's find. Natural wood window boxes overflowing with wild grasses complete the look, blending the home into the coastal landscape. In the garden, let the smell of lavender guide your path, its purple spikes nodding in the salty breeze. Set a weathered teak dining table on a gravel patio, where irregular stones crunch underfoot. Plant silvery olive trees in large terracotta pots. They thrive on neglect and soft sunshine. Edge the walkway with rosemary bushes, releasing their fragrance whenever you brush past. Instead of a manicured lawn, embrace wild grasses that move like waves in the wind. This is a garden designed for barefoot wandering, with a glass of rose in hand at dusk.